judging from this result, I think its luck is all gone. I think its luck is all gone.
Could it be in the middle of the night? Who in the world that sent me this? Oh wait. It's finally here. Dawn! Yo, what is up guys, and welcome to another video. And today, as I promised, there's gonna be another unboxing video. The previous episode we actually did an unboxing with the I.O.I Color IZ album, and now we're gonna doing this Weki Meki album. Now here's the thing, I do not know what's inside. Okay, I do not know who do I get, so today is just gonna be a surprise. So yeah, as you know from the previous video, I used a lot of my luck on getting my favorite members from I.O.I inside the album. Now I do not know whether the luck continues or not. So without further ado, let's just not waste time and just go on with the unboxing.
6.5 hours later.
What the heck is this? Oh my goodness! Check that out! It's signed by Cho Yoo-jung. It's actually a page signed. This is the first single album here. The same single that actually produced Crush from Weki Meki, one of my most favorite songs from them. And yeah, it's pretty much interesting really.
And it was so nice to give you a plastic cover for this.
Yeah. Apparently.
Hey, we got nice material to burn when we are cold.
Oi!
If we liquid the name away, we can sell this thing for quite a few bucks.
Hey. Oh, there's another. Oh! Yo!
It's every member's sign, I guess.
Yo! This is actually damn lit! Check this out! There's actually messages from each member on the photo card.
And he can't understand Korean.
Oh my goodness! Now all I'm hoping is someone please help me translate this so that I can understand what the heck is going on.
Google can do it for you.
Oh my goodness! If you look at it closely, it's freaking... It's not even printed! It looks like handwritten.
Passing the thing.
Yeah, check this out. It looks handwritten.
Yeah,
And this is the member that I wanted! This is Cho Yoo-jung!
more materials to burn.
Oh my god, my luck, oh my god, my luck is just so good.
This may be the last video from Shah.
My luck is just so damn good. Oh my goodness.
This may be the last video you see.
Holy shit, and it's signed under my name. It's signed under my name. Holy nuts, I am so happy right now. I am absolutely so happy. Oh my goodness.
So do you think you can die happy now?
Oh, I still have more to live for. So yeah guys, this is the album, Kicks and Kicks. Basically inside is a photo book involving all of the members. See, there's Doyeon here, Rina. Oh my god, this is just amazing. Look at Yoo-jung. Yoo-jung is just so cute. She's my favorite member. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about my bias, all that. But yeah. It's really nice. Why are you trying to promote Bubble Wrap?
I'm playing with Bubble.
Hey, Bubble Wrap protect
And
your
yeah,
stuff,
this
bro.
is the CD that they have. The Weki Meki CD. Yo, I am just so happy. There's messages from the members. And it's signed. It's signed by Cho Yoo-jung. Of all the members I could have gotten, I got my favorite member. Holy nuts. How does that even... I can't comprehend, bro. I really cannot comprehend. This is probably one of the most happiest moments in my life.
Last video for today, for life already.
What do you mean by the last video? There's still more to come.
This is the last video for this year.
You guys are
Oh,
evil.
yeah, that's true. Honestly.
Yeah, so yeah guys, this is the last...
Year.
No, there is one more video I'm going to be releasing this year, but it's not a vlog or anything, it's a gaming video. So yeah, that is the last video of 2018. I almost want to say 2019. 2019 is going to be even more awesome.
Exciting.
January and February, we have plans for it, and we are hoping to actually... Why am I in Dogeza position? So yeah, that's what I was saying. 2019 is gonna be an amazing year. January, February has already been plans taken care of. We'll be going to Thailand for Japan Expo Thailand again next year, and also February for a very special holiday in Tokyo, Japan. Basically,
Probably
it's
our
enjoying time.
Probably our last trip to Japan also. We've
Maybe
been going there every year for the past 5 years, 4 years.
4 years. Yeah,
4 years.
4 years. So
Yeah, so yeah. Someone is moving on to K-pop, so a bit.
yo, with lucks like this, I need to carry on, bro. I need to carry on. So yeah, guys. Apparently I applied for Twice autograph as well, but unfortunately I didn't manage to get it in. So that was the downside of it. But it's cool because it's not the first time that Twice cancelled me on something. Yeah. So yeah, Twice just doesn't stop disappointing me. But hey, congratulations on winning the 3rd consecutive Song of the Year. What is Love? To be honest, I prefer Yes or Yes.
Yes,
But
and yes, also.
yeah, Yes or Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
It's the
or
title,
yes.
title of the song.
Yeah, yes or yes. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know this is a short video, but because the only purpose is just to cover this
Show
thing,
off his sign.
this wonderful present. Oh my goodness, this is like basically Christmas present for me. You know, get like, oh my god, I think I really just used all of my luck now. Now I'm really scared for 2019.
Yeah, next year, the luck will come back on.
I hope so. But
There's
anyway,
backlash.
what?
There's backlash.
Okay, technically, if you were to follow me from the beginning, I had the backlash in the beginning of the year for 6 months that I didn't upload any video. But yeah, for that 6 months, it was a huge suffering. But now,
It's getting too dark. Let's go to the next topic.
well, yeah, what is the next topic? But anyways, thank you very much for watching. This is probably my last vlog in 2018. I look forward to more events and more live events. I guess no, I would say more live events.
More events in next year.
More events, more opportunities for me to vlog, and more videos to be released in 2019. Hopefully, when I have the time. As you know, I'm working, so it's actually hard to find time to edit. But yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys in 2019. Have Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See ya.
Stay safe.
Bye.